Welcome back to YouCanVersity channel. Today, we will delve into the remarkable life of a true icon who epitomized self-belief and became an extraordinary leader. We will explore the story of Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States, and the valuable lessons we can learn from his life.
Is from the middle out. I believe in fighting for the middle class because if they're prospering, all of us will prosper.
Prepare to be inspired. Born Barack Hussein Obama on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii, to a Kenyan father and an American mother. He grew up with a diverse background, raised by a single mother and his grandparents. Despite facing some tough times, he never lost sight of his dreams. As a young boy, Obama found solace in books and developed a deep love for learning. This thirst for knowledge would shape his journey and drive him to seek excellence in every aspect of his life. Barack Obama's thirst for knowledge led him to study at Columbia University and later pursue his law degree at Harvard Law School. But education wasn't the only thing on his mind. During his time in college, he became actively involved in community organizing, working with grassroots organizations to empower marginalized communities and fight for social justice. Obama's early experiences shaped his understanding of the systemic challenges faced by many and fueled his desire to bring about meaningful change. Barack Obama's campaign for the presidency sparked a fire of hope across the nation. With his message of unity and change, he captured the hearts and minds of millions. Despite being a relative newcomer to the national political scene, Obama's charisma, eloquence, and ability to connect with people from all walks of life resonated deeply. Against all odds, he won the election, becoming the first African-American president in U.S. history. Talk about breaking barriers and inspiring generations. Barack Obama faced numerous challenges, but he never backed down. With his calm demeanor, thoughtful decision-making, and unwavering dedication to the American people, he steered the nation through one of the most significant economic crises in modern history. Through his leadership, the Affordable Care Act was passed, extending healthcare coverage to millions who were previously uninsured. He also prioritized environmental sustainability and took important steps to combat climate change. Moreover, he pushed for criminal justice reform and pursued diplomatic efforts to strengthen relationships with international allies. Obama's legacy is a testament to his commitment to progress, equality, and the betterment of society. Do you know what sets Barack Obama apart? His ability to connect with people through his words. From his iconic speeches to his personal stories, he had a way of inspiring hope and encouraging us to come together. He reminded us that change doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with the actions of individuals who refuse to accept the status quo. But here's the thing, folks. It wasn't just about the talk. He walked the walk too. Obama's dedication to service extended beyond the political arena. Through initiatives like My Brother's Keeper, he sought to address the opportunity gaps faced by young men of color and create pathways to success for all. His commitment to public service and his genuine empathy for others continue to inspire millions around the world. Beyond the presidency, Barack Obama's journey didn't end when he left the White House. He continues to be a voice for change, using his platform to address important issues and promote civic engagement. Through the Obama Foundation, he's working to empower the next generation of leaders, encouraging them to find their voices and take action in their communities. From writing best-selling books to delivering impactful speeches, Obama's influence remains strong, reminding us of the power of leadership and the impact we can have when we stay engaged and committed to making a difference. As a man who started with humble beginnings and went on to become a symbol of hope and progress, President Obama showed us that with perseverance, determination, and a belief in the power of unity, we can overcome any obstacle. I hope this journey through Barack Obama's life has inspired you to chase your own dreams, stand up for what you believe in, and to make a positive impact in your own unique way. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Barack Obama's life and career. If you find this video inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. We appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more videos on YouCanVersity as we explore the lives of other notable individuals who have left an indelible mark on the world. If you have any suggestions for future personalities or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, belief in yourself is the first step towards achieving greatness. So, stay motivated, stay inspired, and never stop believing in your own potential. Until next time, take care, and keep spreading positivity and empowerment.